Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the last topic of the adolescent chapter, that is reproductive health. For this, first of all, we should know the meaning of the health. What is health? Right? Health of an individual is defined like his or her state of mind, physical fitness, social behavior. All these will come under the health. Right? Write down the definition. Health of an individual is defined. Health of an individual is defined as right, his or her state of mind, that means how they are behaving, state of mind, right, physical and social, how they are behaving in the society, right, social, ठीक है, well-being, that is called the health. Is this clear, बच्चे? Health is of individual is defined as his or her state of mind, physically, socially well-being. That comes under the topic health, right? For a healthy adolescent should follow a healthy lifestyle. That means he should eat properly, he should walk, regular exercise, number of the things he has to keep in his or her mind, right? For adolescents, right, should follow a healthy lifestyle which includes proper nutrition. So we will write down nutrition. Write down nutrition. Number 1, that is nutritional needs. Is this clear? First we will discuss the nutritional needs. For this, adolescents should take proper balanced diet, right? Proper carbohydrates, proteins, fats, right? All the vitamins, minerals, it should be in a proper amount. That means they have to take a balanced diet. Adolescents should take balanced diet. That is the basic requirement, that is the nutritional needs. Why they require the balanced diet? What we will say? They need first we will write down the balanced diet. है ना? Why they need balanced diet? They need balanced diet because of the proper growth of their bones, muscles, right, height, number of the factors that we already discussed. For that purpose, they need a proper nutritional. Okay, proper nutrition they have to take, and for that they have to take the balanced diet. And in balanced diet, milk, jaggery, wheat, okay, proteins they have to take. But they avoid junk food. Right, beta? These 2 points you have to keep in your mind. For nutritional need, they have to take the balanced diet, right? That means all the fats, carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins and minerals, it should be in a proper amount. And they have to avoid junk food, right? They have to avoid junk food. Write down the second point. After this nutritional need, write down second point, that is the personal hygiene. This is a very important point. Personal hygiene, right? What do you mean by the personal hygiene? Very essential. This is a very essential to prevent infections. It is very essential to prevent infections and occurrence of disease. Teenagers should follow we will write down some of the points that what they have to follow. They have to follow some of the points. Write down number 1. Teenagers should follow. What they have to do? Take bath regularly. Right? Number 1, they should take bath. They should take bath regularly. Right, bete? They should take bath regularly. Yeah, every day. You can write regularly or every day. They should take bath every day. Why they should take bath every day? Because I told you earlier that the sweat and the sebaceous gland activities are more in this age. So when the sweat and the sebaceous glands activities are more, that means the body smell bad. That's why they have to take bath every day. Right? Always wash hands. Always wash hands before and after meal. Before and after taking meals. It should keep in our mind that we have to wash our hands before and after taking every meal. It is very important, right? Then third point you will write down, change clothes every day. Write down the third point. Change clothes every day. Right, bete? Right? Then the fourth point we will discuss under this personal hygiene, that girls should take care of cleanliness during the time of the menstruation cycle. Girls should take care of cleanliness at the time of menstruation cycle. Right? These things we have to keep in our mind. Is this clear, bete? Now the third point we will discuss, that is the physical, like the physical exercises. Third point we will discuss physical exercises. Teenagers should follow these things properly. Third main point, that is physical exercise. Right, bete? Now what does it mean? That means the teenagers keep the body and the mind fit and healthy. They have to keep their mind as well as the body fit and healthy. For this they have to take the regular physical exercise. They have to take the yoga. They have to go for a walk. Right? For this physical exercise, that means it comes, they should take walk, running, cycling, yoga. You can write. They should, write down. They should take walk, running, cycling, number of the activities, and the yoga for keep their body fit, and it comes under the physical exercise. Is it clear? And the last very important point, say no to drugs. Fourth point, say no to drugs. Say no to drugs. Right, bete? Say no to drugs. That means adolescents जो हैं, they must say no to drugs, alcohol, tobacco, because these things may, you can say, these things cause many physical as well as the mental illness. Right? They have to say no to drugs. alcohol, ठीक है, tobacco, cigarettes, all these. Why, right beta? Why they have to say no to drugs? Because they will cause the physical as well as the mental illness. Now, is it clear? You can write as they will cause physical and mental illness. Right, bete? So that's why they have to say no to drugs. A very small topic is given in the box, that is AIDS. We already discussed these points. What do you mean by AIDS? Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. So what is the meaning of the AIDS? Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. And this is caused by the HIV virus. Caused by HIV. Right? Human immunovirus. Right? As all of you know that it is a virus disease, so it should not be cured easily. Right? Human immunovirus, how it is transferred, how it is transmitted, this AIDS disease, how it is spread, the number of the points, like through the transmission of the blood from the infected person to the healthy person. If we by mistake, we are not aware of this thing that the person is infected by AIDS, and if we will transfer the blood from the infected person to the healthy person, this disease will be spread through mothers. If the woman or the mothers, like the pregnant woman, so it is automatically transferred to their babies. Right? Then you can say it is transferred by using the infected needles also. Okay, by shaving razors, like all that it is transmitted. Right, bete? Through sexual contact. So we have to take care of all these things so that it should not be transferred from the infected person to the healthy person, because it is a viral disease and it cannot be cured. Is that clear? So this is what about the adolescent chapter. See the videos properly and carefully. We will discuss the question answers in the regular class. Right? Thank you.